Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. When I went to email the person the video, her image had come up. It just took a long time to load. So you've got two images, and they're basically identical, and one of them already a kind of a silhouette. So you want to click on your item, and then go up to your crop tool, and I had it already um, cropping. So you got to make sure your image is clicked, and then take your crop tool and let's crop out, because we don't need to trace both of them, and then just double left click on it. And this will be exactly the same as the first video, so I'm not going to go through the trace. It was almost identical, but as you can see, it's got a white box around it. It is a smaller file, so when you go to resample, it's only 72, so set it on 300. Go up to bitmap, convert to bitmap, black and white, hit OK. Trace bitmap, outline trace. I always use clip art. It seems to work the best for me. This is doing the exact same thing. It's going to leave those two white sections. It didn't remove them. So we'll take, this is our new image, and you can see because it's only an image and not a box. Let's put it back in there, and when you zoom in, you can see those two white images. Take your pick tool, select your item, and go up to Object, Group, Ungroup. Instead of picking those two white, which you could go off the page and pick the two white and remove them, or you can just pick your black. And this one has that extra tier, so we'll remove our white box or our yellow box now, and you're good to go. That's a good silhouette. I actually like it more than the first one. The torch is a little better, and there's some cleaning up you could do. You could left click, right click, and then go in there and zoom in and play with some of these nodes, but it really is pretty good. Like, you could make these better, take your nodes and just delete them. And if you convert them to a line, we don't need that node. So I'm going to take these three and right click and convert to a line. You get a sharper point on the, I guess that's a crown of thorns. We actually removed too many, or I did. And then let's delete that other one we don't need. Convert these three into a line. And then, there's several things on our arm, and it just depends on what you want to do with it to make it a little cleaner. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.